So I get a phone call about 10 minutes ago from a neighbor. We put in a condensing modulating wall hung boiler about 4 years ago for him. Comes home from vacation, the holiday, and he calls me up and goes, Mikey, I got no heat or hot water. I tell him to reset the system. You see the flame icon come on for about a hot minute, then it goes off. In that brief moment of time, the boiler did fire up, the temperature went up a degree, but then the flame cut off. So he's like, when do you want to come out? So I'm like, when do you want me to come out? I was like, we can come out now as an emergency. Give me about 20 minutes. I got to get dressed. I got to go get my truck. Got to head back out to you. Or tomorrow morning. He goes, what's best for you? I was like, what's best for me is like, bro, I do this for a living. What do you want? He goes, I'll see you in about 20 minutes. I goes, I got you. Can you believe I get all the way to my office? I open the door. I disarm the alarm. I'm walking to my desk to get my truck key. And my neighbor calls. He's like, Mike, you won't believe this. It's heating up. It's 178 degrees. What do you think? What do you think? It's my luck. It's my luck. I didn't explain to you my rates. Right? There's a $275 trip charge, and the hourly rate is also $275, which makes the first hour of labor $550, and it's non-refundable because it's boots on to boots off. That's how I operate. That's what I think, but I didn't say that, of course. What I did say was like, okay, well, I guess we were premature in wanting this emergency service call on a Sunday evening. I was like, but what I'll tell you what, we can come check it out during the week. We haven't been there in a little while, and we'll do a tune-up on the heating system. If you like, you can sign up for a maintenance plan. That way, in the event of a urgent or an emergency issue in the future, it'll be cheaper. What do you think? Yeah, that's a great idea, Mike. Perfect. Awesome. Look at that. While I didn't get the emergency service call, I still put on 2 miles on my vehicle, driving 1 mile to my office, 1 mile back. And now I got to take my boots off. But I got a little bit of a tan today. I did about 10 laps in the pool after my workout. You can catch that workout on the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel. But, and I did a lot of soaking in the hot tub because my body is very, very sore right now. But it's another Sunday. Can't wait for tomorrow. We're going to have a great week. Thanks for watching. A little Mikey Pipes short clip here in horizontal orientation. See you later.